Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out the Roborock Saros 10R Robot Vacuum and Mop, one of the most advanced ultra-slim robotic cleaning systems designed for powerful automated cleaning and smart home convenience. Packed with 22,000 PA suction, zero-tangling technology, intelligent FlexiArm cleaning, and a fully automated docking station, this robot vacuum is built for users who want premium performance with minimal effort. The first major highlight is the incredible 22,000 PA suction power. That level of suction is extremely powerful for a robot vacuum and allows the Saros 10R to easily pick up dust, crumbs, dirt, pet hair, and debris from hardwood floors, tiles, rugs, and carpets. Whether you have pets constantly shedding or busy rooms collecting dust daily, this vacuum is engineered for deep cleaning performance across multiple floor types. One of the most impressive design features is the ultra-slim 3.14-inch body. Many robot vacuums struggle to clean under low furniture like beds, couches, TV stands, and cabinets, but the Saros 10R's slim profile allows it to reach difficult hidden areas where dust usually builds up. This gives it a major advantage for complete home coverage. The zero-tangling brush system is another huge benefit, especially for homes with pets or long hair. Hair wrapping around brushes is one of the most common frustrations with robot vacuums, but Roborock designed this system to minimize tangles while maintaining strong cleaning efficiency. That means less maintenance and more consistent performance over time. The advanced FlexiArm riser technology improves both carpet and hard floor cleaning. The robotic arm system intelligently adjusts while cleaning edges, corners, and difficult spaces, helping the vacuum reach areas many standard robot vacuums miss. Combined with intelligent navigation and obstacle detection, the robot creates efficient cleaning paths while avoiding furniture, cables, and household clutter. For mopping, the Saros 10R delivers a premium automated experience. The docking station supports self-emptying functionality, reducing the need to manually empty dustbins frequently. It also includes hot air drying for the mop system, helping reduce odors and moisture buildup after cleaning sessions. This keeps the mops cleaner and more hygienic for daily use. The smart app controls allow users to customize nearly every part of the cleaning process. You can create room-specific cleaning zones, set schedules, adjust suction levels, create no-go areas, monitor maps in real time, and control the vacuum remotely from your smartphone. Smart home integration makes operation simple and convenient. Battery performance is excellent for larger homes, and the intelligent navigation system helps maximize cleaning efficiency while minimizing unnecessary movement. The robot maps your home accurately and adapts to different surfaces automatically. Overall, the Roborock Saros 10R combines ultra-powerful suction, advanced navigation, anti-tangle technology, edge cleaning precision, and premium automation into one sleek flagship robot vacuum and mop. Its slim design, smart cleaning system, and hands-free maintenance features make it one of the most advanced robotic cleaners available right now. If you want a high-end robot vacuum capable of deep cleaning while handling daily maintenance automatically, the Roborock Saros 10R is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below to learn more or grab yours today.